Hi there! I've got a recipe for a yummy braised pork loin in onions for you. You absolutely have to try it. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. You can find the same list in the video description. I've also added a link to my blog under the video where you'll find all my recipes. We need 3 medium-sized onions, dice them into cubes, then fry them in oil with salt and smoked paprika. Fry everything until the onions are nicely golden brown. Then, on the same oil, we'll fry the slices of pork loin, pounded, seasoned with salt, pepper, and sweet paprika. Coat each pork slice in flour, then brown them briefly on each side. All pieces of meat are put back into the pot or large pan and add the previously fried onions. I've already added some oil, but not too much. Add a bay leaf, allspice, peppercorns, and 500 milliliters of water or broth. Optionally, we can add a tablespoon of soy sauce. We will stew the whole thing covered for about an hour or until the meat is soft. I prepared it under pressure, so it only took me 20 minutes and the dish is already ready. Here at the end, you can season it to taste. Sprinkle with freshly chopped dill and see how beautifully this dish presents itself. Serve with your favorite extras. The pork chop is very tender, very distinct in flavor, so be sure to prepare it. It tastes very good, of course. I invite you to watch my next videos. Best regards.